This is a very popular place to drink fresh coconut. We're in an area here, well, it's a fruit area. It's a market for fruits. It's a wet market mostly for fruits. And this place specializes in coconut, so I decided to come here and give it a try. So here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, very good. Hey, look at this. You can also have cannabis herbal coffee. They just made cannabis legal just a couple of weeks ago. It's very, whoa, too close. Lovely houses here. They really love their plants. What's really cool is there's all these little tiny canals that run through the old part of the city. I think you're supposed to hit it 3 times, if I remember. In Myanmar, that's what they said. Yeah.
别说身材好穿，还挺好看。
Woo! Go, go, go! Continue, continue.
เต้นใหม่เต้นใหม่ทำได้รับโซนเนี่ย
Oh, you good too. Too funny. Still there, waiting for more passengers.
Right.
She got the right idea by having an umbrella. It's supposed to be rainy season, but no rain,
It's
just
too
sun.
hot.
I know, crazy, right?
Yeah.
It's supposedly rainy season, but not at this hour, I guess. Lots of sun, lots of heat, lots of humidity. The ferry is on the other side. In fact, I saw it, so it's going to take another 2 minutes.
Right.
So in the meantime, just chill. Oh, she got the right idea. Should have got an umbrella too. A huge umbrella. Gonna cross over. This will be, I don't know.
Before Tha Tien.
Huh?
Tha Tien.
Tatien. Tatien? That sounds more Vietnamese than Thai, but okay. Tatien.
Tha Tien. Tha is mean like pear. Tien is mean like the name. Tha Tien.
Wat Arun.
Yeah, and have too many food in there.
Good. Lots of food.
Yeah, a lot of
Lots of
food.
meat.
Yes.
But plenty of durian. That's what I'm waiting for.
Ha ha ha
Because
ha.
it's
Always
nice.
durian.
I guess because it's the end of the season. So,
Always durians.
Very difficult to get half decent durian. I mean, at least where I was, it was still creamy. Yeah. So here it's a bit crunchy. Out of season. No good. Man, where's this boat? Okay. That looks like a fun ride, huh?